In this video, I'm going to solve number 1. As we can see here, the two denominators are x plus 1 and x. The two denominators are x plus 1 and x, and we want to kind of get rid of those. We don't want the variables to be in the denominator, so we can multiply each of the terms by the least common multiple of all of the denominators to get rid of them. They'll end up canceling. So let's multiply this side by the least common multiple of both of the denominators, which is just them two multiplied together. So times x plus 1, and then do the same thing to the other side of the equation, times x plus 1 times x. On the left side of the equation, we'll have 8 times x plus 1 all over x plus 1. And then we'll have 9 times x plus 1 all over x equals 5 times x plus 1 times x. Now, on these two, on the left side, this x one will cancel with this one. So on this term, we're just left with 8x. For the next term, the x's will cancel, so we're just going to be left with 9 times x plus 1. And then on the right side, we can begin to multiply these terms out. We'll end up getting 5 times x squared plus x. And on the left side, we can distribute. So 8x still plus 9x plus 9. And now we can distribute the right side, 5x squared plus 5x. Now you can do some simplifying. I'll combine these two to get 17x plus 9 equals 5x squared plus 5x. And I'm going to move it to the right side. We move the 17x to the right side, so we'll still have the 9 on the left side, but then the right side will become 5x squared minus 12x. Now I'm going to move the 9 to the other side to get 5x squared minus 12x minus 9 equals 0. This is a factorable quadratic, so now we can factor it. 5x and x. And then what will these be? These will be negative 3 here and a positive 3 here. Those are the two factors of negative 9. Now we cross multiply to check to get see if we get the middle term. Multiply x times 3 gives us 3x, and then 5x times negative 3 gives us negative 15x. Add them together to get negative 12x, and this matches the middle term, so these are the correct factors. So this quadratic factors to 5x plus 3 times x minus 3, and that's equal to 0. Now zero product property, 5x plus 3 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Solve for x, 5x equals negative 3, x equals negative 3 over 5. And on the right side, x equals 3. So these are the two solutions.